Okay, this short video is an explanation on how to add frequency separation. Frequency separation is an action in Photoshop that allows us to get the texture of the image. So for example, the texture of the skin, and in this case is the texture of the actual canvas. This adjustment is useful when we are trying to replicate some scratches and dust. So in the template, nothing to do with the working file, just have the template separated. On actions, here we have frequency separation, and this is going to create two layers, one that has the colors and one that has the texture. Click on play, go on continue, go to any part that has some texture, and you have to kind of see the line where you start getting, if it gets too blurry, it's too much. Usually a good number is 3, depends on this on the noise. So for example, if you go too high, you're gonna lose the texture here, but here it's good. And you just go with continue. With that, as you can see, it created 2 layers. This one that looks blurry, it has the colors, and this one, as you can see, it has some of the texture. And this is what we are going to be looking for. Then we duplicate this layer into our working file. I already did here, so here I have the frequency and I have masked it so it's only on the face of the subject. So let me disable the mask. I'm just interested in having, so for example, here is some of the clothes. This is a texture I don't want to see, so I just enable layer mask and I just had it applied on the face. It's even better than adding just noise because it comes specifically from the canvas, and it also can help you get the texture of some scratches depending on the template. So there you go to see. That can be a final step to add before exporting.